If I start connecting the dots, na-realize ko na yung mga ginagawa ko nung araw where I learned a lot of things and I was able to develop my skill. Halimbawa, yung understanding business finance, understanding how a company should expand, when should expand, building a company, growing a market, managing your cash flows, managing your balance sheet. All of those things pala na ginagawa ko can help other people. So yun nakakatuwa, di ba? When you start connecting the dots, ganun pala, kaya pala natuto ko nun. So that's why we are doing this in Kapayaman. Hindi lang naman siya laying the foundation for an entrepreneur who will really fly, kundi helping him develop the skills and the character, di ba?